What's up, y'all? It's Amir and I'm back with another video. And today I'm gonna show y'all how to sound like me on BANDLAB. And before we get into it, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and yeah. So if y'all don't know who I am, cause like y'all probably just subscribed or just found this video, I guess that's all you need to know for real. I made it like a big song. Like I stopped making music and I started doing it again. But yeah, I don't know if this video gonna drop. I don't even know if this song gonna drop, but yeah, I'm gonna just show y'all how it sounds.
Can't get these relations with you. Hope you know I'm tired and I'm through. I would never fuck around with you. Oh nah, I'm tired of this shit you hoe. What the fuck is a useless hoe? Killing me like I'm gone. What the fuck you do wrong? Leave me where I go, bitch. Leave me, I can't follow. I said leave me, I can't follow. Do this shit all on my own like fucking friend. You said that you leave me, I don't need you then. Fuck around with me, you don't get nothing then. You wanna fuck around with me, you gon' start running in. Bitch, they start running in. My heart, you can't take it. I said my heart, you ain't coming in. Leave me, give me space a bit. Leave me, you ain't nothing out. You said I need something out. Fuck you, take another route. Come around again, so fuck you can think.
Alright, so yeah, that's the song. I'm not gonna show y'all the whole thing. I'm gonna put this song link in the bio, but I'm gonna show y'all like. So this is a preset. I think this was the preset that I used in the last video, but my actual main, I don't think it's called. Yeah, it's this one. My actual main. These sound like the same, but this is my actual main preset. It sounds the same, but I'm gonna show y'all. So it's compressor, this chorus, filter, noise gate. This you can add it. I turn it off sometimes. It's for like different songs. EQ, delay, another EQ, compressor, and reverb sometimes, but I barely use it. And not gonna lie, y'all gonna have to make sure y'all subscribe for that. I'll drop it in the next video, but yeah, let me see. So y'all also gonna have to go to y'all gonna have to make sure y'all subscribe and like for that. Got that. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna show y'all how the underground effect sound. I'm pretty sure y'all already got this, but I'm gonna show y'all. Yeah, that's how it sounds. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and